I have a book in my hand. Now tell me, if I put ribbon around its edges, what am I measuring? And if I color the entire front page of the book, what am I measuring? That small difference is called perimeter and area. Now look at the book carefully. If I take ribbon and start pasting only at the edges of the book, I am not covering it completely. I am only concerned about the boundary. That is called perimeter. So perimeter means the distance around a shape. Now situation 2. Now I want to color the entire page of the book. This time I care about the whole surface inside. That is called area. So area means the space inside a shape. Remember, around the shape, perimeter, inside the shape, area. Now let's understand this in numerical terms. Now suppose this book has length 10 centimeter and breadth 6 centimeter. So perimeter will be 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, because we know that perimeter is the boundary. So if this is 10, this will also be 10. If this is 6, this will also be 6. So we have 2 10 centimeters and 2 6 centimeters along the boundary. So we can directly multiply it by 2 with what? Length plus breadth. Because this length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So we are adding 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So this is the perimeter formula, 2 into length plus breadth. Solving it, 2 multiplied by length is 10, breadth is 6. 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32 centimeter, because we add the outer sides. This is the perimeter. Now area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter. So it will become 60 centimeter square, because we are measuring the inside surface. Just a quick explanation of why we are using square here, because we are multiplying 2 dimensions. Length is actually 10 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. So when we multiply 10 by 6, it becomes 60, and when we multiply centimeter with centimeter, it becomes centimeter square. That's why we use square in centimeter. While in perimeter, it's 2 into L plus B. So we can write it at 2 into 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. So it becomes 2 into 16 centimeter. So because this is in addition, so it's 16 centimeter, it becomes 32 centimeter. That's why we don't use square in perimeter, but there is always square in area, whether it's in centimeter square or meter square or whatever. Square will always be there if we are calculating area. So a quick memory trick. If your finger moves around the notebook, that means it's perimeter. If paint covers the notebook, that means it's area. So now tell me, if you decorate the border of a photo frame, what will you calculate? Area or perimeter? And if you paint the whole photo sheet, what will you calculate? Perimeter or area? Comment below. So don't just learn the formulas, learn what they actually mean. Thank you.